Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, Assalamu Alaikum. Today we will do exercise number 14C, question number 1. And the statement of the question is: find the total area of 4 walls in each of the following rectangular rooms having the following dimensions. We have to find the total area of 4 walls. Length, breadth, and height is given. We will just apply the formula, and the formula of area of 4 walls is 2 times length plus breadth times height. Now put the values in the formula. The value of length is 10 meters and breadth is 5 meters. That is given in the question, and value of height is 4 meters. It is also given. Now we'll add the numbers in the parentheses. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 15 times 2 is 30, and 30 times 4 is 120 square meters. Now length, next part of this question is length equals 8.5 meters, breadth 4.5 meters, and height is 3.5 meters. Apply the formula. 2 times length plus breadth times height. Put the values. 8.5 plus 4.5 is the length and breadth. It is in the formula. It is in the parentheses. We will add these two values, multiply by 3.5. 3.5 is the height which is given in the question. Now 8.5 plus 4.5 is equals to 13.0. 0.0 is valueless. 13 times 2 is 26. 26.0 times 3.5, 91 square meters. 0.0 is valueless, so 26 times 3.5 is 91. Now let's move towards the third part of the question, that is length equals 6 meters and 50 centimeters. Breadth is 5 meters and height is 3 meters. In this third part of the question, you have to focus on the units. Look, the unit of length is 6 meters and this is in centimeters. 50 centimeters, breadth is in meters and height is in meters. First we have to make all the units same. We have to make all the units same. Here we have to change 50 centimeters into meters. So the first step is conversion of centimeters into meters. As you know that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. For converting 50 centimeters into meter, we will divide 50 by 100. That is equals to 0.5. It means 50 centimeter equals 0.5 meters. Now the length is 6 meter. Already the length of rectangular room is 6 meter plus 50 centimeters means 0.5 meters. 6 meters plus 0.5 meters equals 6.5 meters. Now our length is, we have converted our length into meters. From centimeters we have converted it into meters. We will apply the formula of area of 4 walls, and that is 2 times length plus breadth times height. Length is 6.5, breadth is 5. Add these two values and we will get 11.5. Now multiplication, 2 times 11.5 is 23.0 times 3. 0.0 is valueless, so 23 times 3 is equals to 69 square meters.